guys, I was just looking at my porch. Saw something really strange. These trees actually burned all the way up to there. Well, we haven't had any fires. If you look real close, it's burned. The whole surface of this thing is like flash burn. And I can't figure out what in the world would have made it burn all the way up like that. There's no burnt stuff on the ground. Nothing on the ground's burned. But it looks like there's pieces of bark are actually burned. Okay, see that? The heck did that? Nobody's tall enough to reach up there. And there's no burned pine needles on the ground. And it actually looks like some of the bark was blown off. But the tree's not dead. Huh. Interesting. Anyway, I just wanted to show y'all that. Thanks.